It's the 21st of July. It's near 11 a.m. I'm watching some kind of monster. It's all about Metallica whining and crying over loss of band members, etc. I know I have some dirt on the lens.
The Live and Lightning record when me and him went out. So 42 beers later, like, I love you. But it could never materialize until it got to that 42 beer point. And we were alone.
Yeah, I think we're good now. Okay, so we're going to be launching the rocket today. The rocket's in the box here. Everything's all ready to go. I got some engines. I got to run upstairs and get. No, I don't need nothing. I'm ready to go here. I'm ready to go. I got to get my clothes on. I got to get a jacket on. I mean, and then we're gonna go out into the field and launch this baby. We'll take some pictures and stuff. And have a good time. Make an afternoon of it. Maybe we'll have some lunch. Here we are at Trinity Bellwoods Park. It's Tuesday, 21st of July. Tag Heuer timing. We got 11:28 in the AM. This is launch 1, the very first launch of the Alpha 3 model rocket kit. Came with launcher. It's all set up and ready to go. All we gotta do is push this button. Wind is blowing. That would be west, north, northwest-ish, northwest-west. The wind in the trees is in the air. It's a little bit heavier. The wind is just starting to pick up. Up to this point, it wasn't so bad. I'm willing to wait it out. We're all hooked up and ready. Okay, so we've got the camera set up now. What you see up here is the tip of the rocket launcher. I'm all set up in the field here. I'm going to test to make sure we have continuity at the igniter. Take a couple pictures and then stand by for launch. I don't know how this is going to I don't know how this is going to work with the camera. We're going to have a lot of smoke down here and there's nothing protecting the camera. I guess this is why I bought it. We do indeed have continuity. Just waiting for some people to clear out and we're going to launch. My fear now is that the rocket's going to end up in some trees just southwest of here due to the wind movement, but I'm not sure that my fear is going to be recognized. So once again, we're just waiting for some people to clear out and then we'll be looking towards a launch. So it might be a minute or two. Considering the wind, I'm going to bump my rocket, the angle of launch, southeast, just by a degree or two to offset the wind so that my rocket won't fall into the dog park, and therefore I'd have to work my way through the bombs to landmines to get to it. But like I say, I'm just considering it for the moment. I'm still waiting for a few people to clear. Conditions are looking better. Okay, once again, I've mentioned I'm gonna knock this off a degree here, and we're gonna go for it. Crowd is very light, and the wind is behaving. Check continuity again. Once again, here's the top. I'm gonna remove this launch rod cap. We're gonna go for it. So that was a somewhat successful launch. The parachute deployed, but didn't catch wind, therefore didn't open up. Not sure why that is the case. But it was a good launch regardless.